Hey guys, can you see this trackpad and this magic keyboard? It is actually connected via Bluetooth to my MacBook Pro. See, magic keyboard and magic trackpad. It's connected over here. Can you see the mouse cursor? See, I'm just moving it on the trackpad and it's moving over there. Right? Now if I take it to the left, can you see it on the screen? Right? This is an external display connected to the MacBook Pro. Now if I move the cursor further left, just watch. Can you see it? It has come down to my iPad Pro and I'm still just operating it from here. Now if I take it further left, just watch it. It has come down to my MacBook Air. Can you see it? There's one more thing. Now if I want to suppose copy this image, this photo to my iPad, all I have to do is click and drag. See. And I can put it over here. And I've copied it in the Photos app of my iPad Pro. I can even copy this image to my MacBook Pro or any other device I want. So basically this feature is called universal control. This is the only reason why Apple ecosystem is always in so much demand and why people have so much curiosity or so much interest in Apple ecosystem. So basically in universal control with a single keyboard or mouse, you can manage all your Apple devices, whether it's the internal or the attached keyboard of a MacBook Pro or maybe an iPad. So that's how it works. To see more such videos, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.